In front of me is a CUBOT Power, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode on the device. So the simplest way, pull down the notification panel and you'll see the battery icon right here called battery saver. And you can just tap on it to enable it, and as you can see, everything kind of turns red, and that is the indication that it's right now in power saving mode. You can also hold the icon to go to the settings, or you can actually see the time since last charge and stuff like that, basic information. You can also disable this from here, not percentage battery saver right here. And by default, the phone comes with the standby intelligent power saving enabled. So if you want to, you can also disable this or enable, depending how much you want to save the power on the device. So that is basically how you would enable it and disable it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.